Ever seen a warehouse where new stock gets shipped first while older stock sits forgotten in the corner? That's a FIFO failure, first in, first out gone wrong. And it's one of the biggest reasons why warehouses lose millions in expired goods, write-offs, and wasted space. Welcome to Fix My Supply Chain, the series where we break down real supply chain problems and show you how to solve them. Today we're going to break down why FIFO failures happen, the hidden costs of ignoring them, and practical strategies to fix them using ERP systems, stock rotation practices, and smart warehouse design. Problem introduction. FIFO, or first in, first out, is simple. The stock that arrives first should be shipped out first. But in reality, many warehouses end up running on LIFO, last in, first out, simply because newer stock is easier to access. Result: products with expiry dates get wasted. Inventory reports become inaccurate. Retailers face empty shelves, while older stock piles up in the back. According to a McKinsey study, poor stock rotation contributes to up to 10% of annual product write-offs in consumer goods companies. Numerical example. Let's say a food distribution warehouse handles 100,000 units of packaged juice every month. Each unit has a shelf life of 6 months. Due to poor FIFO, 5% of stock is left unsold every month and eventually expires. That's 5,000 units wasted monthly. At just $1.50 per unit, that's $7,500 lost every month, or nearly $90,000 per year, in just one product line. Multiply this across hundreds of SKUs, and you can see how FIFO failures destroy profitability. Root causes of FIFO failures. So why does FIFO fail? There are usually 4 main reasons. Poor warehouse layout. Stock gets stored wherever there's space, not in systematic racks, making it easier to pick newer pallets. ERP/software breakdowns. The system may have FIFO rules, but if barcode scanning or batch tracking isn't enforced, warehouse staff may bypass it. Manual shortcuts. Pickers often grab the nearest pallet instead of digging for the older stock, especially under time pressure. Lack of visibility. Without real-time alerts, managers don't even realize that older stock is getting stuck until it's too late. Present solutions. Now, let's talk about solutions. How can you prevent FIFO failures? Warehouse layout optimization. Use flow-through racking systems or pallet flow racks where older stock naturally moves to the front. Design storage zones specifically for high-rotation SKUs. ERP and barcode integration. Ensure your ERP system enforces batch/lot tracking. Mandate barcode scanning at both put-away and picking stages so the system automatically flags the correct stock to move. Cycle counting and audits. Run weekly cycle counts on high-risk items like perishables. Use audit reports to identify slow-moving or expired stock before it piles up. Training and incentives. Train staff to follow FIFO not just as a process, but as a discipline. Link compliance to KPIs, rewarding teams that maintain rotation accuracy above 98%. Example: one FMCG company reduced product write-offs by 40% in just 6 months after introducing mandatory batch scanning at dispatch. Case example. In 2021, a large supermarket chain in Europe faced $15 million in dairy product losses due to FIFO lapses across regional warehouses. By upgrading their ERP system to enforce FIFO, first expired, first out, and redesigning cold storage with pallet flow racks, they reduced expiry losses to under 2% of volume within a year. Key takeaways. So here's what we've learned. FIFO failures cost big money through expired products, write-offs, and stock imbalances. The root causes are usually layout inefficiency, ERP gaps, or human shortcuts. With the right mix of technology, layout design, and staff discipline, you can bring stock rotation accuracy to 99% plus. Remember, FIFO isn't just a warehouse practice, it's the backbone of inventory health and profitability. Conclusion. If you've struggled with expired products or piles of old stock sitting in your warehouse, it's time to fix your FIFO. Tell me in the comments, what's the biggest FIFO challenge you've faced? And don't forget, like this video, subscribe to Fix My Supply Chain. Share this with your warehouse or operations team, because the next time your shelves are empty but your backroom is full, you'll know exactly where the problem is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.